Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about my chemical exfoliation skincare routine. So as you could see my face, it's super tired. Yes, so on previous video, one of the follower just commented to share my chemical exfoliation routine. So I thought, okay, let's do it in the next video itself. So yeah, let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and join Stylefit fam. Also, you can click that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So yeah, as you can see my face, it's super tired, it's super oily, chip and greasy. Yes, so after tiring day, I'm just gonna share my chemical exfoliation routine, which is gonna be very simple. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 step routine. It's very easy, quick 5-minute routine. So let's get started with the routine. So first time, as I'm wearing slight little makeup for filming videos, or if you're not gonna wear makeup, or if you're wearing a water resistant sunscreen, it is essential for you to use double cleansing, guys. So it does help to remove all the dirt, gunk and grime, completely remove the sunscreen or the makeup. So yeah, let me just start off with the double cleansing routine. So the first product is gonna be Beauties face mop. So this cleansing balm is amazing. It's super good for all skin types. It is gentle, it is so good, it just easily cleanses off your makeup so well. I had only one complaint of it getting melted during summer times or during hot humid season, but they have just greatly reformulated the version of this face mop and they have again sent it to their customers, which is super great. I did purchase this product when it launched. So let me just share the beautiful balmy texture of the cleansing balm. So this is how the texture looks like, guys. So I'm just gonna take this and massage it on my skin first. I really love the way it easily cleanses the skin and it removes every bit of makeup, liquid lipstick and whatnot. Even waterproof mascara comes off so quickly and it is great and gentle for everyday use. So that's how it looks like. So now before washing it off, first during using the cleansing balm or the cleansing oil, you just need to spritz off some water or just splash some water on your face and then again massage it again, emulsify it and then wash it off. So if you're doing this mistake while using a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, do note it out, guys. So yeah, as you can see, after spritzing some water and when you massage it, you can see the emulsifying, the milky texture of the balm. So after again massaging it well, you can either wipe it off with a cleansing pad or you can just wash it off with the water. So I'm just gonna wash it off with water and I'll be right back. So yeah, I just wash my face just in case if you want to use a cleansing pad to remove this. I have been using one which is this particular cleansing pad from Earth Rhythm. It is really good. It is of soft material. It is great for acne prone or sensitive skin as well. It is allergen free. I have been using it for months together. You can just reuse it by washing it off after every use and it goes on so well. So you can definitely check it out. If you want, I can leave the links of all these products in the description box below, guys. You can check it out. So after cleansing my face, now I'm going to use a face wash again from the same brand, and yeah, that is the Face Beauty No BS cleanser. So this cleanser is great for all skin types. It is super gentle and it cleanses out your skin so well. So I'm just gonna use one full pump of this cleanser. I really love this cleanser a lot. This duo is great, guys. You can definitely check out this combo. I really love Fair Beauty products. Yeah, I will also leave these products link in the description box below. So now let me wash this off and I'll be right back. Yes, I'm back after washing my face, and that's how it looks, bright, fresh, and clean, right? So now let's move on to the next step, which is serum. You would ask me, where's the toner step? I would skip this toner step when I use AHEs, BHEs, and retinol serums, especially. Yes, so today I'm going to use a beginner friendly chemical exfoliating serum. I don't use even chemical peels, but I just used it last week. I only use chemical peels like 2 weeks once. So if you're using a chemical peel, or if you want to use chemical peel, if you're not a beginner, you can definitely try out the Dermaco's peeling solution. These are so good. Yes, you can definitely try it out. Even they have the 15% peeling solution. You can try it out if you're an intermediate. If you are a beginner, you can try out this Pure by Priyanka's acne clarifying serum. So they have 5% AHA, 3% PHA, and 2% BHA. It's quite chemical. It is like quite beginner friendly. Sorry, I'm blabbering a lot today. So I'm just gonna take 3 to 4 drops of the serum and then just tap it on my skin. Make sure while using these AHA BHA serum, don't go near to your eye area or anywhere if you have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin near lips or corners of the nose, sometimes don't go near there, guys. Just apply it on your face and neck. As you can see, it's a quick absorbing formula. It is great for beginners. I really like it a lot. I do even use Eclat's acne serum, which is great for acne. It has BHA in it, which is great. Yes, even this chemical exfoliation serum, I just apply an even layer on my face for just 7 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. And now the next step is to follow a good moisturizer according to your skin type. So my two favorites, I'll just share my two favorites with you all. So one is the Sugandha's Squalene Ceramide Moisturizer. So this is so good. If you have extremely oily skin, maybe it wouldn't suit you, but even though I have oily skin, I'm using it in my everyday PM routine. It is really great for this acne prone skin or damaged skin barrier skin, or if you have sensitive skin. It is so good. And the next option that you can try if you have oily skin is Earth Rhythm's Phyto Clear Moisturizer. So this moisturizer is super lightweight. It has amazing ingredients like centella, hostile extract, and sage extract. So both of these are my favorites. I would use them in AM routine, and I would use Sugandha moisturizer in my PM routine. So today I'm gonna take just 2 pumps of Sugandha moisturizer like that, and this is how the texture looks like. So I'm just gonna take it and apply it on my face and neck. As you can see, it is a lotion based moisturizer, so I would use a little bit of less quantity, and it is super good for damaged skin barrier. It nourishes skin so well and whatnot. Also, just a small quick tip that I do every day after applying the moisturizer, like after applying and massaging the moisturizer, I usually tap it on my skin so that maybe I feel it gets absorbed so well, and your face would look so good. And skincare is my therapy. I would love doing skincare after a tiring day. If you are like me, a skincare addict or a skincare lover, this step is gonna do a great benefits for your skin. So that's how I do it. Yeah, face part is completed, and now going on to your lips. Don't forget your lips there. So for lips, I'm going to use my current favorite Shesha Ayurveda Kumkumadi lip balm. So this lip balm is my absolute favorite, and it's gonna get empty soon. So this is how the texture looks like. So I'm just gonna take the required quantity and apply it on my lips. So I really like this a lot. I love the way it just nourishes the lips so well. If you have like dry chapped lips, this is gonna help you a lot because it has amazing ingredients like Kumkumadi Thailam and oils and butters that just nourishes and just treats your lips and keeps it healthy so well. Even if you have like slight pigmentation, it could help with that in consistent usage, guys. The great tip in skincare is to use it consistently for at least few weeks, like 3 to 8 weeks, and then only you would be able to see some results from it. So that's my easy peasy skincare routine. I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you have any comments regarding chemical exfoliation and skincare routines, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'll be happy to share Yes, I do share my answers only on the basis of my experience. I'm not an expert, I'm not a skincare expert and whatnot. So I'm just gonna answer your questions only with my experience and with whatever products I've used in these many years of my skincare routine. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. Also, you can check out my Instagram page, Stylefitwithjanu, for more self care, makeup, and fashion content. Yes. Until next time, bye bye.